Hey everybody, I'm Matt. I'm the strand behind this channel. Just wanted to give a quick update. I know most of you, there's like 800 something of you here. You're all here for the older Le Mans races and the older PSRC races and all that kind of stuff. Unfortunately, I did have a hard drive issue a while back, and I lost pretty much everything. So I lost all that, I lost all my models, I lost everything. I'm trying to recover what I can, what I had backed up on other hard drives. A lot of what I did recover, I already have here on YouTube. So that wasn't very helpful to you guys. So what I'm doing in the meantime, until I can sort that out, is going a slightly different direction with the channel itself. A lot of this is more for me than anything. I want to do some car builds. I want to do some guitar covers, that kind of stuff. So first thing up, I'd like to introduce all of you to Nugget. So Nugget is a 2002 Honda S2000 AP1 for those of you Honda nerds, which means she does have the 9,000 RPM redline. Nugget has been sitting dead in a garage for about 7 years, and I just recently got her back running again. She's still not running great. She needs a whole bucket load of work. Like you can tell, the hood's taped on because that's how much work she needs. So there's a whole bunch of mechanical stuff I got to do just to make it, I guess, a good car again. Like I said, she'll run and she drives around right now, but she's really not a good car, if I'm being honest. So I'm going to be documenting all the work that we're doing to Nugget just to get her going again, but then also the build process. My goal for her is she's going to be a GT300-esque street car. So if you're not familiar with GT300 or Super GT in general, it's a 300 to 350 horsepower car, about 1,100 kilograms, which is right around 2,400 pounds, I think. Big tires, big tires for the power the car makes. Lots of aero, again, for the size of car that it is. Just a really cool class of car. It's one of my favorites. One that the S2000 never actually raced in officially. So I'm going to be building my own version, but that's easy enough to do, to just make a straight up race car. Like, I come from racing. You know, I've raced formula cars and prototypes for, oh God, a little over 20 years now, which is terrifying to say. So building just a straight up race car isn't really what I want to do. That's not the goal. I want her to still be a street car at the end of the day. So trying to find the mix of both and how I do that. Not entirely sure how we're gonna do it. I'm completely making this up as I go. So that's why we're documenting it. So yeah, that's the build idea. No idea what I'm really doing, if I'm gonna be honest. And I was married once, and I don't have nearly enough people telling me what I'm doing wrong all day, every day. So I figured I'd jump on the internet. Why not? I'm sure somebody out here will tell me what I'm doing wrong. So that's the general idea for right now. Like I said, if I find some of those older races again, I will start uploading them. In the meantime, this is what you can expect. So, yep, that's it. Something quick. Just wanted to give a quick update. See y'all later.